I'm Ben Tish, and this is Great British Chef's signature series. Everybody loves crispy chicken, right? It's kind of comfort food, transcends the seasons. It's just a nice twist on it. It's quite light and fresh, actually. Everybody loves it. By chance, ended up working in an Italian restaurant. It's very simple food, grilled meat, some homemade pasta, and it was really good. And it really inspired me, and from then on I knew that was my food direction. I'm Ben Tish, I'm Chef Director of Cubit House Group, and today we're at Princess Royal in Notting Hill, and we are going to be cooking chicken Milanese with datterini tomatoes, salsa verde and rocket. Okay, so chicken breast we get from our butchers. They kind of butterfly it out for us, and then all we do is we just give it a quick bang with the back of a pan. If you've got a meat hammer, you can do that, just to flatten it out a bit. And obviously this tenderizes it as well. There we go. And then we're going to pan it. So we've got flour, egg yolks mixed with a bit of milk, and panko breadcrumbs. And you've got to use panko, really. I just think it's just makes for a much better result. So flour. Just shake off the excess flour into that. Again, drain this off and into the panko. Give it a good press. It's important that it's fully coated. And we're going to give this double pane, extra crisp. So back in the yolk, and then one more in the breadcrumbs. So chicken's paneed. Now we're going to fry it. So we've got a deep fat fryer, which is undoubtedly the best way to do it, because you just get kind of a quick cook. It just kind of gets it all the way around straight away. So 180, it cooks beautifully in no time. Right, so that's come out. Sea salt on there. So then here what we've got, some datterini tomatoes that we've just kind of very lightly cooked in olive oil and with a bit of garlic, and we're just going to pop those into a pan and fry it through. Just get a little bit of colour on them. Just put our tomatoes over it. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just a few little sprigs of wild rocket. And then we've got a classic salsa verde, which is herbs and olive oil, capers, a bit of anchovy in there as well. It's quite a strong, pungent dressing, and it's good with the crispy chicken. It kind of, cuts through the richness of it. Yeah. Wedge of lemon. Finishing touch, people want it or not, is some grated 24-month Parmesan. Just a little kind of shower of that over it. There you go. Okay, so that's Princess Royal chicken Milanese with datterini tomatoes, salsa verde, Parmesan and wild rocket.